Hey team, it's Russ. It's grub prevention time. Quick video. This one's going to be really short and sweet. We're going to talk about why you want to use grub prevention, when's the right time to put it down, which is now. Alright team, so this week we're talking about why you want to use Grub EX on your lawn. It's a Scott's product that I recommend. I've been using it for years since I had a grub infestation. It does kill and prevent grubs. It interferes with their life cycle. Okay guys, so we're going to talk a little bit about the grub life cycle with my beautiful dogwood behind me. In short, you have grubs in your lawn in the spring. These are ones that have overwintered from the fall. They come out in their pupa stage. They begin feeding on the roots in the lawn, and you may not see any damage because the population is smaller than what it can be in the fall. What happens is, as they mature and come into the beetle stage, that's the time where you may start seeing flying beetles coming out of your lawn. They could be flying around your yard. Some people refer to them as June bugs. They go back into the lawn, they start reproducing, and you get a massive infestation of new pupa, new larva, which in the fall will wipe your lawn out. With the added summer stress of drought, of heat, and other disease such as possibly as fungus, the grubs will have a smorgasbord, and they will literally decimate your lawn, destroying the roots. Once the roots are gone, you're finished. You have to reseed. So what we can do is put down some of these preventive products that will interrupt the life cycle and save your lawn. I've been using it for a number of years now. I've had success with it. It's important to apply it at the right time, which is actually usually April, May. So this video is coming out a little bit late, but it's not too late. So if you've had problems in the past, you should still consider putting it down. I'm going to provide some information also on the screen because I know I've received comments in the past where people have said, oh, this product interrupts the pollination of bees and it's detrimental to the bee species. From what I've read, the active ingredient that's being used in this product, it's not a problem. Again, let's talk a little bit about that now. The active ingredient in this bag is chlorantraniliprole. It's 0.08% by weight. From what I have read in documentation is that this chemical, also known as acetylprin or Grub EX, is not harmful for pollinators. Okay, so we're going to open the bag, we're going to look at the material, we're going to get it spread. For me, with my Earthway 2600 plus, my spreader setting is 13. If you're using a Scott spreader, there are spreader settings on the bag. That's really simple. Okay team, so as discussed, for my particular spreader, it is setting 13 to get the proper application rate down. This is a pretty fine product, as you can see as I pour it into the hopper. So you don't need a big aperture set on your spreader, but follow the instructions on the bag and apply at the proper application rate. Grub EX, you want to get it down now, preferably before we get too far into June. So it's 2.87 pounds per 1,000 square feet. This particular bag is 28 pounds. It'll treat 10,000 square feet. It comes in a 5,000 square foot bag. I will leave links to both in the show notes. If you want to go direct to Amazon, you can always get it at any big box store. After application, 1 inch of irrigation. You need to water it well. So if you can time it with rainfall, or if you have irrigation, try to water your lawn a couple days to get that inch down. I know when I do 1 round of irrigation at my house, I have it pretty much set for 1/4 of an inch. So I would have to water 4 days to fully activate this product according to the manufacturer's instructions. Okay guys, so just to recap, we discussed the life cycle of the grubs that are already pupating in your lawn from last season. They will develop into beetles, which will then start another reproductive cycle in your lawn where you'll have new larvae. Those new grubs will destroy your grass roots this fall. Your lawn will already be compromised with summer stress. So to avoid that, you want to interrupt that life cycle, get this product down now. We did discuss that it is safe for pollinating bees with the active ingredient that's in this bag. However, if you choose another product, make sure it is not one of the ones that can cause interference with pollinating bees. The application rate is 2.87 pounds per 1,000 square feet. This was a 10,000 square foot bag. It is available in a 5,000 square foot bag. There are links to both if you want easy delivery through Amazon. They're in the show notes. Feel free to use them. They are reciprocal links. Or just go to your big box store and get yourself a bag today. The cost of this bag is probably somewhere around $55 for 10,000 square feet. You'll spend far more repairing your lawn between seed and other products, starter fertilizer, and just the hours of aggravation and thatching that you'll be having to deal with in the fall if you want to repair your lawn should you suffer grub interference. Again, once the product is down, be sure to apply an inch of water. I do it over a period of days. I don't do it all at once. I do have irrigation. If you can time it with rainfall, that's great. So that's it. Quick video. Leave some comments below if you care to. I do have another video coming soon where I did apply some Yard Mastery Double Dark to my lawn, and I'm going to share the results of that with you also. Get out there, get it done, and I'll see you guys soon on Lawn Journeys.